How to deactivate Messenger only. If you find this video helpful, click the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So let us go to our Messenger. And here in our Messenger, what we need to do is go to the three lines above, as you can see in the top left. Click on that, tap on that, then tap on the gear icon. Once you have tapped on that, scroll all the way down and go to see more accounts or see more in account center. So you will be directed here in the Meta account center. Go to personal details and then go to account ownership and control. Once you have done that, go to the deactivation part and select the Facebook, and then you can delete account or deactivate account. So it depends on what you want. You can delete the account permanently or just deactivate the account temporarily. So it's up to you. So just continue after you have chose what you want. So thank you for watching.